Congress launched a protest at all district headquarters in Rajasthan against Bharatiya Janata Party's alleged conspiracy to murder democracy on Saturday. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi also accused the BJP of a conspiracy to bring down party government in Rajasthan and said the state governor should call an assembly session so that the truth comes out before people. Rahul Gandhi's remarks have come amid a factional fight in the state Congress between camps led by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and former Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot. Governments are formed and run on the basis of people's mandate, said Rahul. The country is ruled according to the law and constitution, said the Congress leader. While the political crisis deepening in Rajasthan, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi alleged that BJP's conspiracy to topple the Ashok Gehlot-led government is clear. Rahul Gandhi also said that this is an insult to 8 crore people of Rajasthan. The governor must call assembly session so that the truth comes before the country. The Ashok Gehlot camp, which has been facing a political crisis in the state, yesterday held a 5-hour sit-in outside the Raj Bhavan asking Governor Kalraj Mishra to call a session of the assembly for a floor test. Rajasthan Chief Minister alleged that the governor was not calling the assembly session due to the pressures from the top. Following the protest, the governor assured that he will go by the constitutional provisions on summoning an assembly session. Later, the governor sought a reply on the 6 points from the Gehlot government, including about the reason to call a session of the assembly for a floor test. A statement from the Raj Bhavan said. Senior Congress leader Kapil Sibal slammed the BJP for the attempt to topple the Rajasthan government and murder of the democracy.
संस्थाओं को कैप्चर किया जा रहा है, चाहे वो इलेक्शन कमीशन हो, और जहां कोई विरोध करता है उसके पीछे एजेंसीज लगाई जा रही ताकि कोई विरोध ना करे। तो अगर इस स्थिति में अगर लोकतंत्र की यही परिभाषा है कि जो सरकार करे कहे सबको मान लेना चाहिए, तो जो प्रधानमंत्री जी कहें जो ये सरकार करे उसको मान लेना चाहिए।
Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera also made sharp attacks on the BJP and demanded resignation of the union minister allegedly involved in attempts of horse trading of the MLAs in Rajasthan.
So here Mr. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is trying to reduce our democracy into a banana republic, trying to buy MLAs and disrupt a democratically elected government in Rajasthan. Congress party demands that for the sake of transparency and accountability in democracy, he should ask Gajendra Singh Shekhawat to tender his resignation today.
While the whole matter is in Supreme Court, Congress will continue demonstrations against BJP's undemocratic practices.